with a banded barbell glute bridge variation. So band above your knees. I want your head on the Bosun ball to keep your chin tucked and to prevent hyperextension of your lumbar spine. So just your head's on the ball, not your shoulders or your back. Just your head, so chin stays tucked. We are gonna do 20 dead stop reps. So you bridge it up, posterior pelvic tilt, down for a dead stop, that's 1. So 20 dead stop reps, immediately into 20 constant tension reps, where you don't tap the plates to the floor, keep constant tension, burn out your butt, keep driving your knees out. 20 of each, total of 40.